My name is Pallav Aggarwal. I am from Monotech Engineers Pvt Limited. Welcome to Forming Now. This is a sheet straightening machine. This machine is used to straighten laser cut components. Any laser cut component or plasma cut component, because of the laser cutting, there is a deformation in the component. It usually gets deformed by, let's say, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm. Because of the heat, stresses are developed. This machine is capable to relieve the stresses in the component and straighten the part. So the accuracy which we receive on this machine is around 0.5 mm per meter. These find applications in earth moving such as BML, JCB, Caterpillar, Motherson. These find application in Hydra, Cranes Industries. Ace Cranes is our client as well. These also find applications in forklifts as well. Raymond, which is a group of Toyota, is also buying, their vendors are also buying machines from us for straightening the components so that they can eventually use the components for robotic welding.